Okay, so the management here has elected to have you guys trespass.
It's not that deep.
Well, ma'am, I have no control
It's
over
not
that.
that deep.
That's something you can take up.
I've been here for
Hold
years.
on, listen. That's something you can take up another time with like whoever the big person is. But the management has elected they're going to trespass you for 18 months. You and your friend.
It's not that serious. Who's
Okay,
the manager?
ma'am, I don't know.
Well,
I don't work
like
here.
to know.
Can you just listen to what she's saying?
You keep talking over me.
Listen, I can hear that, but I'd like to know the name of the person.
Let
I
me
have every
finish
right.
talking and then I'll get
Yeah.
whatever you need.
That's
You need
fine.
to listen to me.
You saying management? I want to know the name.
Well, give me a minute. I want to make sure you understand what I'm telling you
I
so
heard
you don't
what
get
you
yourself
said.
in trouble.
I heard
So
you.
for 18 months, if you come back here, you will be arrested.
According to what manager?
Let me finish my job as a law enforcement officer, because as a manager, I don't give a damn. I'm trying to tell you so that you don't get yourself
I'm in
in
the
trouble.
same field. That's why I'm asking you.
Okay, I'm telling you not to come back here. Do you understand that?
You can say that.
Okay, so if you come back, you're going to be
It's not
arrested.
that serious.
Ma'am, I don't care if it's serious or not. I really don't. Who was the manager that you were speaking with? Susan Mystery? Like it's a mystery?
Like M-I-S-T-R-I.
M-I-S-T-R-I. I'll write it down for you. Susan? M-I-S-T-R-Y.
Let's back up from her a little bit. You're a little bit too close. We'll start shit.
I'm not
Because
saying
we'll finish it. Stop it.
I know what I'm doing.
You were
What
getting
wanna
too
do?
close to her.
What did I do?
You were getting too close to
I'm
her.
taking a picture of what she's writing down.
Wait,
What
wait
you want to do?
wait until she's
What you want to
done.
do
Wait
about
until
it?
she's
I
done.
did it and it's done. What you want to do about that?
No, don't be stupid.
I ain't
Don't be
stupid. But what
Don't
you
be
want to do
stupid.
about that?
So you start
Because
shit,
you
I'll
can.
finish it.
I'm also
An apartment complex, a trespass warning, 2 women who refused to leave. One of them said she was a law enforcement sergeant. The other said she was also a lawyer. Both statements were about to matter, in exactly the wrong way. A trespass warning is not a suggestion. Under state property law, once a lawful representative of a private establishment formally requests a person to leave and then law enforcement delivers that notice, the legal right to remain on that property is immediately revoked. It does not matter how long you have been there. It does not matter what you paid. The moment the warning is issued, the clock starts. Staying is a criminal offense. Trespass after warning is a first-degree misdemeanor in most jurisdictions, up to 1 year per incident. The officer explained this clearly, multiple times. The subject understood it. She said so. Then she stayed anyway. She claimed to be a sergeant, not with a police department, with animal care and control. That is a county government position. It carries genuine authority in its lane. It does not transfer. It does not create a legal exception to a trespass notice. It does not give the holder the right to override a private property decision by a civilian manager. She also stated she was a lawyer. This was said mid-argument while being directed to leave the premises. If she had legal training, it did not change the analysis. A trespass warning is not ambiguous. There is no procedural defect to challenge. The officer delivered the notice. That is the legal act that matters. The subject argued about the manager's identity. She argued about whether the decision was warranted. She argued about the money she had paid. None of those arguments are legally relevant after a trespass warning is issued. The property owner's reasons do not have to satisfy the person being trespassed. The only legal question at that point is, did you leave? She did not leave. She was given a 10-second countdown. She had a clear path to the door. She kept talking. Under trespass statute, the failure to leave after a warning with law enforcement present and the subject demonstrably aware of the notice eliminates any good faith defense. The arrest that followed was lawful from the first moment of non-compliance.
I'm not done. I'm not done. So you know what? I'm done. Get out of here. You're going to be arrested for trespass after warning. I don't want to do that. Please get your things and go. Get your things and go. Because you're not listening, and I'm not going to sit here and do
y'all
this.
ain't listening.
Get your things and go. In a minute, you're going to be arrested for trespassing.
It's not that deep.
Do you understand the trespass warning? Okay, then you need to go.
not that deep.
You need to go.
It's not that deep.
You need to go. You're also
She's also?
yes.
Who's Susan Mystery?
The manager. That's who you asked me for.
Mystery.
Both being trespassed, you need to go.
Fucking rude since we
You
arrived.
need to go.
It's not that deep. And so I have
You
a
need to
reason
go
say,
because you're being trespassed. I'm not going to
$100
stand here
a
any
month
longer to fix the proper stuff with the handcuffs for trespassing.
It's not
So
that
you might
deep.
want to talk
They're
to your
being
friend. I don't care if it's deep or if it's shallow.
This is
I
not
don't care.
allowed.
Get her out of here or she's going to jail.
Let me explain something to you. Listen.
Get her out of here.
I've been here for a
I'm not
long
waiting this
time.
longer.
I've never had an issue. They see black and brown and now they have an issue. She had a moment where she got sick.
This is a.
You hear what I'm saying?
I hear you, but
And that's what I'm saying.
Hear me out. This is a private establishment. Any private establishment, they could tell you they don't want you. They don't want. They could tell you they don't want you in here anymore. And they want you trespass. Once we issue a trespass warning, from that point out, you have to leave.
You're hearing only their side, and that's what my frustration.
You're not listening to
So
me.
you got-
You're getting frustrated.
Yes,
on their
because
be-
you keep
on
talking
their
over
behalf.
Hey,
you
you gotta
keep talking
stop
over me.
and go.
You have 10 seconds
You
to
gotta
get
stop
out the
and
door, or
go.
you're going to
On
be
their
put in
behalf.
handcuffs.
You
You
are.
Hey,
have 10
do not
seconds
be
to get
stupid.
out the door,
I mean,
or you're going
Alright,
to be
you are being
handcuffed
stupid.
and arrested for trespassing.
You can walk out that
10
door.
seconds. Please go.
You can walk out that
You
door and
won't
go
listen
home.
to me. Please go. You've been trespassed. Please go. You've been trespassed. Please
Hold on.
go.
Hold on.
You can walk out that door and go home.
Hold on.
You've been
I just want it to be
Ma'am.
known that they're. No, you said 10 seconds.
Nope.
No, stop. Stop fighting. Stop fighting.
Yeah.
Get on. Get on.
I didn't do shit. That's on you.
Her friend, Andrea, attempted to intervene during the physical arrest. Placing yourself between an officer and a subject in custody or physically contacting an officer during a lawful arrest constitutes obstruction of justice in most jurisdictions. It is a separate charge. It is not a de-escalation strategy. It is additional criminal exposure. Andrea was trespassed alongside her friend. She came close to more than that. During the arrest, the subject kicked an officer. That one act changed everything. Battery on a law enforcement officer in the line of duty is a felony, not a misdemeanor, not a charge enhancement, a standalone felony count with its own penalty range, in most states 3 to 5 years, per count. The trespass charge did not go away. She now had 2 charges. One of them was a felony she created in real time. The hobble restraint was applied after the kick. Officers are authorized to use restraint devices when a subject has demonstrated physical aggression toward officers during arrest. The subject objected. The officer explained her feet were a documented danger. She had already proven that. The restraint was not punitive. It was preventive and legally defensible under the same standard the kick created. Under Graham versus Connor, the controlling federal standard for officer use of force, the reasonableness of force is judged from the perspective of a reasonable officer at the moment of the decision, not in hindsight. The subject had already kicked. She was still in the patrol vehicle. The restraint was proportionate to the threat that existed at that moment. Not the threat that might exist, the threat that already had.
Please. I gave her plenty of warnings. And then she wanted to resist. And then she wanted to kick me. So guess what? I gave her extra because of what you said you do. And you know what? I shouldn't have done that. So guess what? Too bad. So sad. You're trespassed for 18 months, as you know, because you understood that. Thank you very much. You're free to go. Am I coming through?
Huh?
Or is that for two? Am I coming through?
Is there any way I can drop?
No.
Listen.
Get out.
This is done. Over with. You got to leave now. You've been trespassed. So you got to leave now. She's going to jail. All right? You understand?
No, she wants to throw. No. No, she wants to throw around that she's a sergeant.
Who?
This bitch in the back seat. So too bad, so sad. Get out! I told you to leave. Leave, or you're gonna go with her.
I don't care.
You gonna leave or no?
Are you gonna walk? Go now. Walk. Go now.
Yes.
Under arrest. You're under.
We don't give a damn. I'm over it.
You're under arrest.
You don't need to arrest me.
Get up.
I don't care.
Get up.
Kick the f out of me. We don't care. I don't care. I gave you every opportunity in the world, and neither one of you want to listen. Are you okay? No, I'm not okay.
Well, you hurt.
Well, I got kicked in the head. I got kicked in the that's her.
Oh, I gotta say something. Look. Stay there.
I don't care about that.
Good. Give me a hobble.
Here, right here.
Hold on, we got it.
are. Take this shit again.
She's drunk as shit.
Kick me. You hear me? Kick me. Do it.
She's drunk as shit.
Give me a hobble. What am I going to do? You're looking at it.
She's drunk as shit.
I'm not a
Trying to make sure the circulation doesn't get cut off your feet.
extra, and I'm making sure that no.
I'll tell you what.
No,
Move your feet. I'm trying to make
I'm
sure
not
the
doing
circulation.
shit for a public records request. I'm gonna make sure all of this.
Possible, dude.
Yeah, I'm
You're being
perfect.
extra. Stop.
No,
and
you
turn
guys are just being extra. I'm
I'll tell
already
you what.
confined,
I'll tell you
bro.
what.
I'm already confined.
Listen to me.
You
Listen
don't
to me.
have to do
Listen
it.
to me.
You
Your
don't
face
have
is a
to
fucking
do-
danger to me because you've already
Bro.
shown that you'll kick. I'm trying to
You
make
don't
sure
have
your
to
feet
do
don't get the circulation.
Yes! You don't have to do it. You're
Move your
choosing to. But,
Damn, you're impossible, bro.
yeah, you goddamn right because you're doing this, and I'm gonna do it.
Stop, dude.
Not you goddamn
You
right.
know what? Fine. Your feet don't get your circulation.
So she's getting charged with a felony. I don't give a. I gave her more opportunities because.
More than what she should have gotten.
Yeah, but because she said she was in law enforcement.
Yeah.
And I said, why are you treating me this way?
She got more than what she should have gotten.
You don't get an animal care control person?
Sergeant.
Yeah. They both are.
What's that?
They're both sergeants with animal care and control.
After the arrest, officers confirmed she had identified herself as a law enforcement sergeant. One officer noted they had given her more time and more opportunity than the situation required, specifically because of that claim. The extra courtesy was offered. She used the time to escalate resist and then commit battery. The professional identity she cited as a reason for leniency became the context that made her conduct harder to explain. The friend was also trespassed for 18 months. She had not been arrested, she had not kicked anyone, but she had remained on the property after being directed to leave, and she had physically interfered with an active arrest. The trespass consequence applied equally. The friend's lesser conduct produced the same property ban because the underlying legal trigger was identical. Now, grades. Officers, grade A. They delivered the trespass notice lawfully and clearly. They gave verbal warnings beyond what the situation required. When the subject became physically combative, force was proportionate and documented. Every decision in this footage holds up under the Graham versus Connor standard. They extended professional courtesy. They did not allow that courtesy to prevent them from doing their job. Primary subject, grade D. She received a lawful trespass notice. She was given multiple opportunities to walk out the door. She chose to argue at each one. When placed under arrest, she kicked an officer some steams, converting a misdemeanor into a felony battery charge. She claimed law enforcement credentials and legal training. Neither helped her. If anything, both made her conduct more difficult to defend, not less. Under Florida Statute Section 784.07, SNOICS, and equivalent statutes in most states, battery on a law enforcement officer during the lawful execution of duty is a third-degree felony, up to 5 years in state prison. She did not have to earn that charge. She chose to in the back of a patrol vehicle while already under arrest for a misdemeanor. Secondary subject, Andrea, grade C. She was less aggressive. She attempted to get her friend to leave. Those things are noted. But she remained on the property after the warning intervened physically during an active arrest and required officers to redirect attention to her while managing a combative subject. Her cooperation toward the end limited her exposure. It did not eliminate the trespass consequence. That was already locked in. Lesson. When a law enforcement officer delivers a trespass warning on behalf of a property owner, the legal analysis is complete. There is no appeal mechanism in the field. There is no exception for membership fees, prior good standing, or professional credentials. The only legally correct response is to leave immediately. Everything said after that notice, every argument, every credential cited, every objection raised, is legally irrelevant and operationally counterproductive. Resisting arrest physically converts the situation from a civil property dispute into a criminal case with felony exposure. That conversion happens in seconds. It cannot be undone by cooperation afterward. It cannot be negotiated away with professional identity. Once you have kicked a law enforcement officer, that act is on record, permanently. If you want more body cam analysis on Momahan's site, the moments that do not go the way anyone planned, subscribe. We post every week. Drop a comment should the battery charge here be prosecuted as a felony or reduced based on intoxication. We will see you in the next one.
Were they the ones fighting up here at the...
I don't know. They were in Lifetime.
Oh, yeah,
They're intoxicated. That one threw up in the hot tub. They asked them to leave. They wouldn't leave. I need to go back in and get it. Can somebody watch my car? Here, I don't have my car on. I didn't mean to scare y'all, but we needed help.
No, you
Because then what happened is she started trying to intervene because she was actually trying to get her to leave. And she was the one that vomited in the hot tub, supposedly. But she's drunk as shit, and she just kept blurting out, I'm a sergeant. And I go, well, then you should be speaking to me this way. You should know what the law is, but not when you're a sergeant of animal care and control, because you don't. That has nothing to do with anything.
You're not taking them out of the car.
Yeah.
If she's decent enough, I can probably, if she's still
Hey,
doing
does she
that,
need the helmet on her?
Right now.
Yeah.
So you might want to walk out and maybe you just
No,
watch
we
both.
have it at the Sally Port.
I'm
In the
sorry.
Sally Port.
Say it one more time.
Maybe he can watch both in the Sally Port while you
Okay.
type up whatever you need to.
Okay.